back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. As you saw by the title of this video, we are going to be decluttering my bathroom sink. It is just a disaster, so we're gonna go ahead and clean everything out. I have a ton of stuff under there that I don't use. There's probably like 10 products total that I use on a everyday basis, between like moisturizer and like face cream, things like that. So I know I have a ton of stuff under there that is just unnecessary that I've accumulated. So we're gonna go ahead and organize it, and I thought I would film a video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please leave a comment down below and let me know. Like this video, and let's just get right on into it. Alright, so here is my master bathroom, and here's what we're gonna be cleaning out. As you can see, I tried to organize. I have these little bins from Target, but there's just a lot of stuff in here that I don't use on a regular basis. Like looking specifically back here, I haven't touched some of that in like over a year. So some of it's actually probably expired. I do like this little thing. I wish I had 2 of them. So I'll have to get another one of those. Well, maybe once I get rid of stuff, I probably won't even need it. And then over here, this one isn't as bad, but there's a lot of stuff in here as well that I just don't think I need. So let's just go through, and I'll show you guys what it looks like and what I decide to get rid of.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You
Okay, I'm gonna show you the final product. Here is what this one turned out to be. I feel like it still looks pretty full, but I feel like everything in here I use at least once in a while. But I like the way it's organized a little bit better now. So I have my travel case in there, and now I keep my medicines here. It used to be sitting up there on the ledge, so I'm happy to just have it under here. Keep my contacts. Embarrassing fact, I still wear a retainer to keep my teeth straight. That here, and then yeah, just some extra stuff. Another tip to keep my teeth white. I don't know what kind of comments I'm gonna get for doing this, but I actually use hydrogen peroxide, and on here it says oral debriding agent, and this is actually keeps my teeth white. So every once in a while I just swish around, whoops, focus, there we go. Yeah, every once in a while I just swish my mouth around with that to keep my teeth white. I have my sunscreens, hairspray, hair stuff back there, and then this is kind of like my day-to-day stuff, my cleanser, deodorant, moisturizer. Use this on my hands, and I've become very diligent about wearing sunscreen every day. So I use CeraVe, and then on my face I use Ulta MD. So that's convenient. And then over here, I got rid of a ton of stuff. So in this basket, I have everything related to my nails, so like nail polish remover, things like that, and then my curling iron and my straightener. Over here I have some of my makeup palettes and just extra hair ties, lashes. I don't wear lashes super often, but when I do, I have them in there. And then in this one I have extra contacts. And then I have Q-tips to refill the thing I have up there. And then I have just a bunch of these little travel size things, so that way when I go away I can just fill those up. So, and then I have my makeup brushes. I do need to go through those at some point. I just wasn't in the mood today. But I took some of the makeup brushes I had out of a package and just put them in those mugs. And then this is just a cute little mirror so that I can see behind, behind my hair. So yeah, that's that. It feels a lot better. I got rid of so much stuff. This entire basket is full of stuff I'm getting rid of, and this is actually pretty big. It's pretty heavy. Some other things I'm going to, if I haven't used it, I'm gonna either donate it or just give it to somebody. I'm gonna get rid of these along with, I have quite a few other nail polishes. I just don't do fun colors. I only do white or I do like a very light pink. I'm not fun anymore, so I'm gonna get rid of those. And then some of this stuff I'm just gonna throw in my linen closet, so. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!